Spikes tank. Bearded dragon. Right there. Right there. My 5-foot Colombian red-tailed boa. A little cage. Quick video. Right over there. Okay, next is my frog tank. Right there. Can't really see much, but there's a little anole in there. There's the toad, fire belly. What else do I say? Another anole way back there. Another one right there. I think I showed you that one. Okay. My king snake lightning's tank. He's not out. Really small. My 2 corn snakes in a holding tank, pretty much. Obviously, says right there. And what they eat for my little kids that come over my house. Sound like a pedophile, but okay. This is my ball python tank. Pretty much simple. There's one. I lost Rocky. Now it's Vulcan and what's her name again? And the girl's name I can't remember, so she's getting a new one. But I don't know where she is either. Oh, but they're like going in that little hole. No, she's not in there. Alright, well, next is the little sugar gliders. There they are. There they are. Hi! Say hi! Say hi! Say hi! Say hi! There they are. There they are. My girlfriend's stupid hamster. I'm even caring about that. My 1-foot, really skinny Colombian red-tailed boa. Mine? My girlfriend's. And she's sitting right next to me. My new chinchilla. Mine? That I paid for fully. All my money. A waste of money. $200. That's Storm. And my bearded dragon Sahara.
Did you forget Oreo?
Oh. And I have a bunny rabbit. Oh, yo. Right there. I can't zoom in. So, there she is. Back to her. She is a bitch. But she's really cute. Right, bitch? Right? Yeah. Alright, well, Fiscalwarrior signing out. Check my videos more since I'm back, since I finally got my shit fixed, but alright. Out.